Hi, I am Manmohan Mishra. Here, some important question of metal and non-metal. First question: the most abundant metal in Earth's crust is iron, aluminium, calcium, sodium. Answer is aluminium. Next question: the poorest conductor of heat among metal is option lead, mercury, calcium, sodium. Right answer is lead. Next question: which of the following non-metal is lustrous? Option sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine. Right answer is iodine. Next question: example of an amphoteric oxide is option Na2O, K2O, Al2O3, MgO. Answer is Al2O3. Next question: which one among the following is an acidic oxide? Option Na2O, CO, CO2, Al2O3. Right answer is CO2. Next question: the process in which a carbonate ore is heated strongly in the absence of air to convert it into metal oxide is called option roasting, reduction, calcination, smelting. Right answer is calcination. Question number 7: galvanization is method of protecting iron from rippling coating with a thin layer of option gallium, aluminium, zinc, silver. Right answer is zinc. This is rusting, rusting. Next question: an element X is soft and can be cut with a knife. This is very reactive to air and can be kept open in air. It reacts vigorously with water. Identify the element from the following option magnesium, sodium, phosphorus, calcium. Right answer is sodium. Question number 9: amalgam is an alloy of copper and tin, mercury, lead and tin, copper and zinc. Right answer is mercury. Copper objects lose their sign and form green coating of copper oxide, copper hydroxide and copper oxide, basic copper carbonate, copper carbonate. Answer is basic copper carbonate. The highly reactive metal like sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. are extracted by the option electrolysis of their molten chloride, electrolysis of their molten oxide, reduction by aluminum, reduction by carbon. Answer is electrolysis by molten chloride. Which one of the given metal does not react with cold as well as hot water? Option sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron. Answer is iron.